Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Northern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, Northern Jackson County in east central Iowa, southeastern Dubuque County in northeastern Iowa, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Aiken, or over Galena, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Galena, Mount Carroll, and Freeport. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Dubuque, Freeport, Galena, Mount Carroll, Lena, Bellevue, Stockton, East Dubuque, Leonard, Warren, Hanover, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Davis, Woodbine, Dakota, German Valley, and Scales Mound. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.